Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your insurance services with Progressive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current insurance services and identify the areas that require improvement. Research the Progressive insurance offerings and how they align with your business model. Create a clear value proposition that highlights the benefits of partnering with Progressive. Develop a marketing strategy that showcases your unique selling points in relation to Progressive services. Engage with Progressive's resources, such as training materials and customer support, to enhance your knowledge. Set up a professional online presence, including a website and social media accounts, to attract potential clients. Utilize Progressive's tools and technology to streamline your operations and improve customer experience. Network with other insurance professionals who are successfully using Progressive to share insights and strategies. Implement effective lead generation techniques to identify and reach your target audience. Track performance metrics to measure the success of your marketing efforts and refine your approach as needed. Offer personalized service to your clients, focusing on understanding their needs and providing tailored solutions. Regularly review and adjust your strategies based on feedback and market trends to stay competitive. Cultivate strong relationships with both clients and Progressive to ensure long-term success. Stay updated on industry regulations and changes to maintain compliance and protect your business interests. Aim for continuous professional development to become a trusted resource in the insurance field. Monitor your growth and celebrate key milestones to maintain motivation and focus on your business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.